Ever dreamt of running your own online store, selling cool products, and being your own boss? Sounds awesome, right? But then reality hits. Where do you even find the products to sell? Manufacturing your own stuff? Forget about it. Wholesaling? Requires a hefty investment. That's where dropshipping comes in. You list products on your store, a supplier holds the inventory and ships them directly to your customers. Sounds perfect. But with so many dropshipping options, choosing the right platform is crucial. Today, we're diving deep into the two big contenders, Spocket and AliExpress. AliExpress, the OG marketplace giant. Let's face it, AliExpress is the king of cheap, trendy products. Millions of sellers list everything imaginable on their platform. It's a treasure trove for dropshippers looking for variety and affordability. Pros of AliExpress. Massive product selection. You'll find literally anything you can think of, from phone cases to furniture. Super low prices. AliExpress is known for rock-bottom prices, allowing you to offer competitive deals on your store. Free to use, there's no upfront cost to browse and find suppliers on AliExpress. Cons of AliExpress. Shipping times. Be prepared for long waits. Products often ship from China, leading to weeks or even months of delivery time. This can frustrate your customers who are used to Amazon Prime-style speed. Quality control issues. With so many sellers, quality can be a gamble. You might end up with products that look nothing like the pictures or fall apart after one use. Branding nightmare. Most products arrive in generic packaging, plastered with Chinese characters. Not exactly ideal for building your brand identity. Spocket, the new kid on the block with a twist. Spocket is a newer player in the dropshipping game, aiming to address the pain points of AliExpress. They connect you directly with US and EU-based suppliers, promising faster shipping times and potentially better product quality. Pros of Spocket. Faster shipping. Spocket boasts much quicker shipping times, often within days in the US and Europe. This keeps your customers happy and reduces refund requests. Focus on quality. Spocket vets its suppliers, aiming for higher quality products compared to the AliExpress free-for-all. Branding opportunities. Many Spocket suppliers offer branded packaging, allowing you to add your logo and build brand recognition. Cons of Spocket. Limited product selection. Spocket's curated selection means you won't find the sheer variety of AliExpress. Finding unique products might be a challenge. Subscription fees. Spocket requires a monthly subscription to access its features and suppliers. This can be an added cost for beginners. Higher product prices. Since Spocket focuses on US and EU suppliers, product prices might be slightly higher compared to rock-bottom AliExpress deals. The verdict: it depends on your priorities. So, which platform reigns supreme? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It boils down to your dropshipping priorities. Focus on affordability and vast selection. AliExpress might be your pick, but be prepared for long shipping times and potential quality issues. Prioritize faster shipping times, brand building, and potentially better quality. Spocket could be your champion, though it comes with a subscription fee and a smaller product pool. Pro tip: experiment and find your sweet spot. Why not try both? Many dropshippers use a combination of AliExpress and Spocket. Source your trendy, low-cost items from AliExpress, while using Spocket for higher quality products with faster shipping for a premium customer experience. Ultimately, the best platform is the one that helps you build a successful dropshipping business. Thanks for watching. Remember, research is key. Explore both Spocket and AliExpress, compare product offerings, and see which one aligns best with your goals. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your dropshipping experiences and what platform you prefer. Until next time, happy selling.